Welcome back. Kajaria Q4 earnings on your screen. The company has missed street expectations. Revenue growth is at 13% lower than the CNBC TV 18 poll of 21%. Profits too have grown by 20% versus expectations of 25%. Margins have come in at 13.3%, maintained on a year-on-year basis, but missing street expectations. The stock has come off a bit from the highs. Ashok Kajaria, the CMD of the company, may join in. Afternoon, Mr. Kajaria. Just a few weeks back, we spoke to you and you indicated that, the top line could be, the demand hasn't picked up, especially in the month of January and February. But even your margins have come in lower. Your revenues too have missed street expectations. How was the quarter and what were the pressures?
See, if you look at it overall, you can't only generalize this quarter because what happened in 13-14, Morbi had a strike in the third quarter. So if you look at the 6 months, our revenue has grown up by 20% if you combine 6 months of last year and this year. If you take it standalone, yes, it has grown less, but because some of the sales of third quarter of last year got passed on to the fourth quarter. And if you see year to year, our turnover has grown by 19% and revenue has grown by 18%.
Right, Mr. Kajaria, so can you break the sales figure down in terms of volumes and price increases?
Volume is about 13% for the year, and you can say roughly the price increase or larger sizes and better products, the difference would be about 5%.
So are the volumes in the tiles segment picking up? We spoke to another couple of ceramic companies as well, and they are indicating that the volumes aren't picking up. So is that the same case for Kajaria as well?
Sir, last year we have seen as a very, very tough year, I must tell you, first of all. And year ahead looks better because of the various reasons. The economy has started looking up. Then Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, as I said earlier, housing for all. But the last year which has gone by has been one of the toughest years that we have faced in the last 5 years.
Fair enough. Even your FY15 revenues have marginally fallen, short of your own expectation. You had told us that the sales guidance would be 20% plus. The company's delivered it at 18.5%. What's the outlook for FY16? What's the revenue growth that you're internally targeting?
You see, we are still looking at 20% plus, but what we have thought of is the industry has grown at 12 to 13% and Kajaria has grown to 18.5% plus. You have rightly said that our target was 20% plus. We have grown at 18.5%. What we are looking at is if industry grows at 12 to 13%, and I believe industry will grow a notch higher, 13 to 14%, Kajaria will definitely grow at 5 to 6% more than the industry.
And looking forward, you're also indicating a higher contribution from high-value projects. So do we see the margins increasing going forward? If you have a guidance for the margins for next year as well?
See, basically we are adding a lot of capacity. Kajaria is today at 54 million square meters. We are already in the process of adding 13 million square meters this year, which will take it to 67 million. Many more things are on the anvil if we have to grow at 18 to 20% plus. So it is margins. I can't say we have to spend a lot of money on advertisement, which we are doing, but definitely it's in a positive scenario. We are looking at a very positive scenario.
The street thought that your margins would improve by nearly 300 basis points. That's not played out. Were there any margin pressures that you saw this quarter? What was the reason that the margins couldn't improve, considering that we have seen the cost of raw materials come down generally?
No, actually the cost of gas has slightly come down because the cost of, we are getting two types of gas. One is RLNG, one is spot gas. And the cost of gas has slightly come down because of the prices of oil dipping. And margins are definitely have been under pressure. As I said, last year has been one of the toughest years. Things have started looking up from this financial year. And I think margins will be okay to whatever guidance we are going to give. Margins will be okay.
All right, we'll leave it at that. Thank you so much for joining us. That was Mr. Ashok Kajaria of Kajaria.